If you have three numbers like 24, 36, and 54, and you are asked to find LCM and HCF both, LCM and HCF both, what you are going to do, just understand it very carefully. I'm just solving this whole. 2 times 12 is 24, 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 1 is 3. At the bottom you got 1, so now your division is completed. Moving on to the next number, 2 times 18 is 36, 2 times 9 is 18, 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 1 is 3. Again, moving on to the next one. 2 times 27 is 54, 3 times 9 is 27, 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 1 is 3. Let's suppose you are writing, first of all, it's a good practice to write down all the prime factors at the bottom, like the prime factors of 24, prime factors of 36. Just why I'm doing all this, just to avoid any kind of mistake. Prime factors of 54. So the prime factors I'm getting are 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And the prime factors I'm getting for 36 are 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And the prime factors I'm getting for 54 are 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now look at the numbers very carefully. The numbers that are all common in all three are the highest common factor. Not talking about just the common factors, I'm talking about the highest common factor. So these are the highest common and these are the highest common. Definitely, I'm just explaining you, definitely these two, these two are common, are common. I told one of my student in the previous lesson and he misunderstood it. I'm just saying that these are common, but these are not highest common. Here we are finding the HCF that is for highest common factor. So as then I feel clear, you understand it. It's the HCF is gonna be 2 times 3, that is 6. Okay, I hope you get it very clearly. Let's move on to the LCM. What is the LCM here? I'm just making some space for LCM. LCM is all the common factors, writing down the remaining prime factors. Now, here we have another situation, another scenario. Common factors will be the all common ones, which we already find out for the HCF. That is 6. That's done. Okay, now look at the remaining prime factors category. It's the best practice when you are taking the remaining prime factors category, the numbers that are making the pair twice, like making one pair of 2, will come once. 2 is coming once, this 3 is coming once, this left 2 is coming once, and this left 3 is coming once. Okay, I'm repeating again. In the remaining prime factors category, the number that is making a pair of 2, like 2 things making one pair, coming once, then this 3 is coming once, and this single 2 is coming once, and this single 3 is coming once. Always in the remaining prime factors category, We don't take the numbers that are coming twice as twice. We just write them as once. The ones this with black color I'm talking about. This is a special condition for LCM with 3 numbers. Now we're just going to times all this. 6, 3 times 2 is 6. That is 6 times 6 is 36. And then you have to do 36 times 6. That is 216. I hope you all understand it very well. And still you have any question, do ask me.